Another of the big questions about Money Robot is how we work on the indexing part. It's very simple. Money Robot uses its own system, its own indexer. You can use another company besides Money Robot after creating your URLs and submitting the URLs to those indexing companies. Now, in a very personal way, I have never used it. I have not considered it necessary. The most important thing is to reuse the accounts that we create, and what we do need to be sure about is that under the settings option, right, we have a box here where this option must be checked, that all the links that are created go directly to the Money Robot service. This process is done and distributed over 10 days. As in meaning if 1,000 backlinks were made, it will be 100 for each day. That's the way it will work. According to the number of campaigns, it doesn't matter. That's a system working behind that we don't see, but it's automatically working. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you will, of course, so we can upload more videos that you need. Thanks and see you on the next one.